Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a free website with free domain and a free hosting. Yes guys, so first of all you have to go to this website which is called freenom.com, right? From here you can easily get your free domain. For let's say if I want to have a domain called how to name, okay, and let's say if I just click on the check availability, and after that he will find me some domain which is completely free. You can see that how to name.ml, it's completely free, right? How to name.ga, it's completely free. So you have to just click on get now, and after that you have to enter your email address, right? So you can just click on the checkout here, right? And just wait for a few seconds till it gets loaded, and here we are into the shopping cart here, right? So just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, right now, so you have to click on the continue and you have to select your time limit, right? So for example, you can see that if I goes beyond 12 months, it will charge me a $9, $19, $30, right, per year, right? So you can do one thing, you can just select the 12 months, that is completely free for 12 months, and after the domain get expired after 12 months you can just reuse this domain, right? And if you got profitable whatever you're doing, you can just buy this domain, right? And after that you can just click on continue, and if you want to do some changes you can do here, right? And so this is how you can get a email, how you can get a domain name from here, and you have to enter your email address, you have to verify from your email address, and after that it's pretty easy guys, you can just get a free domain, right? And now let's talk about how to get the free hosting. So you can just go to this website called infinityfree.net, okay? You can see from here, and after that you can get a free domain here. You have to just click on sign up now, and after that you have to enter your email address, your password, and after that click on create new profile, okay? And if you have already account, just click on the sign in, and after that you have to just copy the DNS address and all that, and you have to just paste it over, and you will get a free server that will host your domain, that will host your website. And I will show you one more thing. This is called Softoclass, okay? And this will help you to install WordPress for completely free, right? And after that you can build your website. So guys, this is it. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, please leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.